Hi, dear students. I am Dr. Mashur. Welcome to my class. Today, I would like to discuss keywords and search. So let's see the keywords. Keywords, also commonly called search terms, and these words are entered into the database search boxes for getting articles or books. Okay, keywords that are commonly called as a search terms, and these words are entered into the search box of databases for getting articles, and this keywords represent the main concept of your research topic and that are used in everyday life to describe the topic. Okay, this keywords represent the main concept of your research topic and these words used in everyday life to describe the topic, and without a right keyword you may have a difficult to find the research articles that you need. Okay, that means without a right keywords you may face some difficulty to get the articles that you needed. Okay, and using keywords, using keywords in search for searching articles, that will always retrieve more result than phrases or sentence. Okay, if you are using keywords for searching articles, that time you will get more articles than you are using phrases or sentences for searching articles. Now we can see what are the important of keywords in searching articles. Okay, what are the important of keywords in searching articles? Okay, you can enter your complete research question when you are doing search in internet or Google. Okay, you can enter your complete research question into the Google for searching articles. Okay, that time you will get a bunch of result. Okay, when you are entering your total research question into the Google or Bing, that time you will get a bunch of result. But if you are entering your complete research question in the library or a database, that time this library will search. Okay, the library database will search the exact word that you enter in the search box. Okay, that time the library will search the exact word that you entered in the search box. If that time the database can't find the complete or exact word that you enter in the search box, that time you won't get any article, because that library database that will search for exact words for getting articles. Okay, that's why if you are searching in database or library, it is important to search only for the search with the keywords. Okay, that means if you are entering your complete research question into Google or Bing, that time you will get a bunch of result. But if you are entering your complete research question in a library database, that time you won't get, that time most probably you won't get the result that you needed, because the library database will look for the exact word that you enter in the search box. Okay, but if you enter the keywords in the library databases, library search boxes, that time you will get the exact articles that you needed. Then we can see the selection of keywords. Okay, selection of keywords. Selecting keywords is a multi-step process, and that involves identifying the main concept of your topic. Okay, firstly you have to identify the main concept of your topic, and After that, you think the synonyms and antonyms that could be used to describe your topic. Okay, and after that you have to spell out your abbreviations. Okay, you have to spell out the abbreviation. Okay, selecting keyword is a multi-step process that's involved identifying the main concept of your topic, and you have to think the synonyms and antonyms that you could also be used to describe your topic, and spell out abbreviations. Okay, these are the steps that's involved in selecting keywords. And selecting keyword is a multi-step process. Okay, that's why it is very rare that your first search will bring back perfect results. Okay, that means your first search will not give a perfect result. Okay, that's why you have to do multiple searches for getting a correct keyword. Okay, that's why this searching or selecting keyword is a trial and error. Okay, trial and error method. Okay, trial and error process, and it's take trial and error to determine which keyword would work best for your topic. Okay, you have to find a keyword, and you have to check it for that whether it is working or not. Then if it is not working, you have to find another keyword. So that's why it's a trial and error to determine which keyword is work best for your topic. And you have to run multiple searches in your quest for the keywords that will help you to find the material you need. Okay, you have to run multiple searches in your quest for the keywords that will help you to find the material you need. Okay, in the selection of keywords, the selection of keyword is a multi-step process that is involved identifying the main concept of your topic. You have to think the synonyms and antonyms that could be used to describe your topic, and you have to spell out the abbreviation of topics. And it is very rare that your first search will bring back the perfect results, and that's why this selecting a keyword is a trial and error process. Okay, and you have to run multiple searches in your quest for the keywords that will help you to find the material you needed. Okay, this is about the keywords and searches. I hope you understood this class. Thank you for listening.